When you consider how expensive the family court model is and how burdened our family courts are and how slow they are as a result, more matters should be brought into arbitration and mediation arbitration. It's really hard to argue about a process faster, less expensive, where you get a result that's more fine-tuned to the circumstances of your own case.
A lot of people through litigation, parents seem to become more angry and more bitter. It can actually raise domestic violence when you go through the litigation process rather than going through a mediation arbitration, because it's more family focused, child focused, and it helps the children and families to continue having some form of positive relationship. Where if you put it through a litigation process, children will be affected longer in it. It can actually become more traumatic for the family rather than an easy process to move forward.
In between the decision to separate and getting things resolved, tensions tend to rise. Statistically, one of the most dangerous times, if not the most dangerous time for spouses who are separating, is just before and during that period of time when that separation's happening. Another benefit is confidentiality. The family court is open court just like any other public civil court in Ontario. Any adult person could read your court file, including your children when they grow up. You don't necessarily want to create a public record, and of course where people have more sensitive issues to discuss, businesses for example, you might not want that information being in the public record. Cost is another reason why people choose to arbitrate.
So those are all benefits of mediation and arbitration that we're talking about.
In my opinion, benefits far outweigh benefits of going to court.